Okay, so let's start discussing these questions. Start with question number 1, and once you're done with question number 1, then attempt question number 2. Okay, so in this question we had to figure out which is larger, mean, median or mode. So let's try and solve this. So mean is simply the average of terms. So 8 plus 12 20 plus 9 29, 29 plus 8 37, 37 plus 7 44, and 55 65, and then 71. 1 2 3 4 5 6 7 8 terms are there. Then 71 divided by 8, that comes out to be 8.875. I think this would be the highest. And now in order to calculate the median, we need to arrange these terms in increasing order. So let's start with the smallest. Smallest is 6. So 6, and then we have 7, and then we have 8, then we have 8, then we have 9, then we have 10, then we have 11, then we have 12. Okay, how many terms? 1 2 3 4 5 6 7 8 terms are there. So middle two terms we'll take. Middle two terms 8 9 17 divided by, we'll take the average, which is 8.5. so median is 8.5, mean is 8.875, which is clearly greatest. And mode, what is mode? The number with highest frequency, which is 8, so which is your mode. So clearly the mean is the greatest value. B is the correct answer. Let's move on to the next question. Okay, so this question on a given exam, 4 students have an average score of 81 points. If another student takes the exam, so 4 students have average score of 81. So from there we can calculate the total score. So average, as we know, average is equal to sum of scores upon total number of scores. So what would be the sum of scores? Sum would be, this would get multiplied. Sum is equal to the average upon average multiplied by total number of terms. Average into total number of terms. Okay, so 81 is the average score and 4 students are there. So 81 into 4 would be the sum of scores. So that is 8 4 32, 324 is the sum of scores. Okay, if another student takes the exam, then how many students would there be? 5 students would there be. What would be he or she score in order to increase the overall average to at least 83 points? So 83 into 5 would be the total score now. So 5 3s are 15, 5 8s are 40, 41, 415 should be the total score. So what is the score of the 5th person? Simply subtract the 2. 415 minus 324. So that comes out to be 91. C is the correct answer. Okay, let's move on to the next question. Okay guys, median is nothing but the middle value, right? So what do we do in order to find the median? We first arrange the terms in ascending or descending order. Let's pick up ascending, that is increasing order. So let's start with the smallest, which is the smallest number. 2 is the smallest number, 2, and then we have 5, and then we have 7, then we have 9, then we have 16, 2 times 16, then we have 19, then we have 20. Okay, so how many terms? 1 2 3 4 5 6 7 8, even number of terms. So 2 middle terms will take their average to find out the median. So 9 plus 16 divided by 2 terms are there, divide by 2. So 9 plus 16 25 divided by 2 would be 12.5. so D would be the correct answer. Okay, so now let's move on to the next question. Okay, so median of following 2 sets of numbers, they're saying are equal. So medians are equal. So let's calculate the median. Median is nothing but the middle value, and these terms are already arranged in ascending order, so we don't need to change the sequence. So median would be the average of middle 2 terms. So 4 plus x by 2 would be median of this set, and 1 2 3 4 terms are here. So y plus 9 by 2 would be median of the second set, and they are equal. So what can we say? 2 would get cancelled, and we are supposed to find the value of y minus x. So 4 plus x is equal to y plus 9, and x goes over here. Y minus x would be equal to 4 is there, 9 goes on to the other side, minus 9. So this would be minus, 4 plus x by 2, y, 5 plus y. On the right side it would be 5 plus y, because two terms are 5 and y, right? Middle two terms are, so 5 plus y by 2. So 2 gets cancelled. 4 plus x is equal to 5 plus y. What are we supposed to find? We're supposed to find y minus x. So x goes on to the other side, so becomes y minus x. 5 goes on to the other side, 4 minus 5, which is equal to minus 1. Minus 1 is equal to y minus x. Answer would be C. Okay, let's move on to the next question. Okay, so in this question we have been asked to calculate the median of these numbers 2x, 1, 4, 8, 5. But then the problem is we do not know the value of x, which we will try to find out from this information given. So if the arithmetic mean is given as minus 1, so what is arithmetic mean? How many terms are there? 1, 2, 3, 4 terms are there. So arithmetic mean is sum of terms upon total number of terms. So sum of terms, we simply add these terms. So 2 minus x plus, this is 3x square, 2 minus x plus 3x square plus 7 minus 15x plus x square minus 8x plus 23. The sum of terms upon how many terms are there? There are total 4 terms. 1, 2, 3, 4 terms are there. Divided by 4. That is equal to minus 1. The mean is given as minus 1. So let's simplify this. So square terms first. Let's see. X square plus 3x square is 4x square. Now x terms. So minus x minus 15x is minus 16x, minus 8 is minus 24x. Now constant terms, 23 plus 7 is 30 plus 2 is 32, plus 32 divided by 4 is equal to minus 1. So we can divide individually, we can take 4 common out of these terms. So 4, what would be left with? X square minus 4 6 are 24, 6x plus 4 8s are 32 upon 4 is already there, which gets cancelled, is equal to minus 1. Okay, so now if we further simplify, x square and minus 6x minus 6x plus 8, and then minus 1 goes on to this side, becomes plus 1, plus 9 is equal to 0. Now this, if we see guys, this is formula for a minus b whole square. X minus 3 whole square, x minus 3 whole square is equal to 0. A square minus 2ab plus b square. So that means x minus 3 would be equal to 0. That means x is equal to 3. So we get x is equal to 3. With this, try to find out the median. What would be the value of the median? If we have x is equal to 3, what would be the value of the median? Now simply arrange these terms in ascending order, you will be able to find out the value of median. So x is equal to 3 we have over here. So now let me clean everything else up. So x is equal to 3. So instead of x, we will put 3. Now let's arrange these terms in ascending order. Which is the smallest term? 1, then we have 1, then we have 2, then we have 3, then we have 4, then we have 8, then we have 10. How many terms? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6 terms are there. So middle 2, which is again even number of terms, the average of middle 2 would be the median. 3 plus 4 divided by 2, that is 7 divided by 2, 3.5 would be the correct answer. Okay, so this is rather a straightforward question. The combined height of John, Sandy is 130 inches. Sandy, John, Alan together, the combined height is 215. So Sandy, John, Alan together, the height is this much. And what are they asking? They are asking John's height. So John's height they are asking. And what has been further given? Sandy and Alan, they have combined height of 137. So Sandy and Alan, we know the combined height is the combined height is 137. So what would be John's? Simply we'll subtract, right? So this would get cancelled. John's height would be 215 minus 137. So 15 minus 7 is 8. So yeah, 78 would be 10 minus 3 is 7. 78 would be the correct answer.